Choosing the right cookware is no longer just about convenience. It is about health, performance, durability, and long-term value. This Sensarte Nonstick ceramic frying pan Skillet 9.5 is designed for home cooks who want safer materials without sacrificing cooking performance. This versatile omelet and egg pan combines a clean ceramic surface, fast and even heating, and a comfortable heat-resistant handle, making it a dependable everyday kitchen essential. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. One of the most compelling reasons to choose the Sensarte ceramic frying pan is its health-focused construction. The natural ceramic coating is completely free of PFOA, PTFE, PFAS, lead, and cadmium. Unlike traditional nonstick cookware that may release harmful fumes or degrade over time, this ceramic surface remains stable even when overheated. There is no risk of toxic substances entering your food and no coating flaking off during use, giving you peace of mind with every meal you prepare. Cooking performance is where this 9.5-inch nonstick skillet truly stands out. The ultra-smooth ceramic surface delivers excellent food release, allowing eggs, omelets, pancakes, and delicate foods to slide effortlessly across the pan. This superior nonstick performance reduces the need for excess oil or butter, helping you prepare healthier meals while enhancing natural flavor and texture. Whether you are cooking breakfast, lunch, or dinner, the pan consistently delivers clean results with minimal effort. The heavy-duty cast aluminum construction plays a critical role in durability and heat efficiency. Heat spreads evenly across the cooking surface, preventing hot spots that can cause uneven browning or burning. The reinforced induction base resists warping, wobbling, and long-term degradation, even with frequent daily use. This frying pan is compatible with all stovetops, including gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops, making it a flexible option for any kitchen setup. Comfort and safety are thoughtfully integrated into the design. The Bakelite handle features an attractive wood-grain finish and stays cool during stovetop cooking, providing a secure and comfortable grip. This improves control when flipping, stirring, or transferring food. For added versatility, the omelet pan is oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit once the handle is removed, allowing you to finish dishes in the oven when needed. Cleaning up after cooking is quick and stress-free. The rivet-free interior and slippery ceramic surface prevent food and grease from sticking. Most residue can be wiped away in seconds using warm water, mild soap, and a soft towel or sponge. While hand washing is recommended to extend the life of the ceramic coating, the overall cleaning process remains effortless and time-saving, especially for busy households. Why this frying pan is a smart upgrade. The Sensarte 9.5-inch ceramic nonstick frying pan is more than just a skillet. It is a practical investment for anyone transitioning to healthier cookware or replacing worn-out nonstick pans. Its balance of safety, performance, and durability makes it suitable for beginner cooks, health-conscious families, and experienced home chefs alike. By reducing oil consumption, improving cooking consistency, and minimizing cleanup time, this pan adds real, everyday value. For those seeking a PFAS-free frying pan, induction-compatible egg pan, or non-toxic ceramic skillet that performs reliably, this model delivers consistent results without compromise. Its thoughtful design supports both simple meals and more refined cooking techniques, making it a dependable staple in any modern kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.